Welcome back, I am Cryptalis and today the world is watching 5 major stories unfold at the same time. From nuclear negotiation in Geneva to peace push in Ukraine to the death of a civil rights giant in America. Today global news is heavy important and you need to know all of it. Let's get straight into it. Story number 1 and possibly the most critical story of the year so far. Today in Geneva, Switzerland, the United States and Iran are sitting across the table for a second round of nuclear talks. Leading the America side are Middle East envoy Steve Witkoff and Presidential Advisor Jared Kushner. On the Iranian side, Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi. US deploys 2 aircraft carrier near Iran. President Trump, speaking from Air Force One, said he will involved indirectly in the task. He also warned that Iran would not want the consequences of not making a deal. Meanwhile, Iran today ran military exercises in the Strait of Hormuz, closing it partially for several hours. A clear warning signal to Washington. Let's begin to our next news. Ukraine-Russia peace talks. Hope for peace or just more talk? Also happening today in Geneva, Ukrainian and Russian officials are meeting for the third time in a recent weeks. This is a US brokered peace process, but here are the reality. Kyiv and Moscow are still far apart on two major issues: territory and security guarantees. Ukraine recaptured 201 square kilometers last week after Starlink disruption. In a major battlefield development just last week, Ukraine actually recaptured 201 square kilometers from Russia, taking advantage of a Starlink communication blackout that disrupted Russian forces. That's more land than Russia gained in the entire month of December. Peace talks continue, but war goes on. Jesse Jackson dies at 84. The world has lost a legend. Reverend Jesse Jackson, one of America's most iconic civil rights leaders, has died at his home in Chicago at the age of 84. Jackson was a close member of Dr. Martin Luther Jr. Inner Circle. He marched alongside King. He was present when King was assassinated in Memphis, Tennessee in 1968. Jesse Jackson, civil rights icon. Jackson went to become the founder of the Rainbow Push Coalition and ran for US President twice in 1990. He became first African American to welcome Nelson Mandela after his release from prison in South Africa. His legacy in the fight for equality will not be forgotten. Next news. Trump Gaza reconstruction plan. Billions for Gaza, but is it enough? President Trump has announced that his newly formed Board of Peace will reveal a pledge of more than $5 billion for Gaza reconstructions and security as its first official meeting this Thursday. However, the United Nations say it will cost approximately $70 billion to fully rebuild Gaza. That's a massive gap. Meanwhile, 90% of Gaza population currently has no proper housing. Let's begin to our next news. Solar eclipse over Antarctica, a rare moment from nature. Today, a rare annual solar eclipse, also called the Ring of Fire eclipse, was visible from Antarctica, the Southern Ocean and South Indian Ocean. This is the first time Antarctica has experienced a solar eclipse of this kind since 2014. Partial views were also seen across parts of Africa, Argentina and Chile, a rare and beautiful reminder that even in the middle of global conflict and crisis, the universe continues its course. Why do all 5 of these stories matter to you? Whether you are watching from US, UK, Europe, Asia or Africa. The Iran nuclear talks could reshape energy prices, oil supply and global security within weeks. The Ukraine peace process affects NATO, European stability and millions of refugees. Jesse Jackson's death marks the end of an era in civil rights history. Gaza reconstruction will define humanitarian policy for years, and the eclipse, a reminder of our shared humanity beyond borders. February 17, 2026, the world saw nuclear diplomacy, a war ceasefire, push the loss of historic leader, a humanitarian funding debate, and a rare natural phenomenon. All in one single day. History doesn't wait, and neither should you. When it's come to staying informed, these are the stories that will shape the coming weeks and months. So keep watching, keep reading, and keep asking questions. Want to hear from you which of these 5 stories concern you the most. the Iran nuclear deal, the Ukraine peace talks, or something else. If this video gave you value, hit that like button, subscribe for daily global news, and share this with someone who needs to stay informed. I will see you in the next one. Stay sharp, stay aware, peace.